The real Jamaican cooking recipe: pot roasted pork, rice, and peas. Please watch to the end. Sunday dinner: lumberjack chef.
It's never late. Every door he closes, he makes a way. What's mine won't miss me. It's here to stay. So I'll keep walking. I won't lose my view. I trust his promise. I know it's true, 'cause what God has for me is for me. No one else can take my destiny. Through the highs and the lows, I believe what God has for me is for me. Storms may rise and the night feels long, but his hand holds me, he makes me strong. Every battle's just leading me through to the blessed